Favorite movie, favorite song, favorite food. Ito ang kadalasang alam lang natin sa sarili. Pero paano ang mas malalim na kung sino ba tayo? Alam ba natin? Gaining a deeper understanding of ourselves helps us to be responsible, meaning we can respond to life rather than react, says Joey Hallin, a meditation teacher based in Cornwall, United Kingdom. Minsan, kapag sobrang nakaka-stress o magulo ang buhay, maaari tayong makaranas ng pagbabago or we might disconnect from ourselves and lose our deeper well of knowledge. Kaya ito ang ilang mga tips on how to understand yourself better. Spend quiet time alone. Being alone doesn't mean being lonely. Minsan, ang katahimikan ay nakakatulong para makapag-reflect ka sa iyong thoughts or emotions. Pay attention to how you react. Pansinin mo kung paano ka mag-react sa mga sitwasyon tulad ng stress, conflict, joy, or success. Your reactions reveal your inner beliefs and emotional habits. Try new things and notice what resonates. Sometimes, you discover who you are by doing. Subukan mong mag-explore ng iba't ibang hobbies, routines, o bagong environment. Practice self-compassion. Getting to know yourself isn't about judging or fixing yourself. It's about accepting and understanding who you are with kindness. Seeking feedback from people you trust. Kung minsan, ang mga malalapit sa iyo ang nakakakita kung sino ka talaga. Kumausap ng kaibigan o pamilya upang humingi ng payo. It's okay kung hindi mo pa na-figure out kung sino ka talaga or kung ano ang purpose mo. Basta hindi ka nawawala sa track as a good person in every way. Always pray and ask for the guidance kung ikaw ay nahihirapan. You can do it!